Hello everyone, this is Alex Austin, the Structures Team Lead here at DRD Technology, and I want to take a moment to talk about how DRD's on-demand training content works. So if you go to our website, drd.com, under training courses, we have a list of all of our available courses that we teach. And our on-demand training content allows us to host that content through our website. So let's say, for instance, you are interested in structural mechanics in our Introduction to Ansys Mechanical course. Obviously, select this option here. This will bring you to the landing page that has an overview and information about the course, including the chapters and the various workshops associated with that course. Now, near the top, there is this on-demand course recordings, workshop files, and PowerPoint slides. You'll notice it says password required. This is how you get access to our training course. You fill out just a little bit of information here. Like so. Hit submit. And what this will do is it will send a password request to our group that one of our engineers or account guys will respond with. We'll provide you with the password, and then you type it into this field here and hit submit. Now, once you have the password, you hit submit. This will take you basically back to the very similar page where you have in-screen recordings, videos of those workshops and the lectures, including demonstrations. So you can play these as you see fit. And you can see there are videos for each chapter and workshop combination. Now, in order to get the files that are referenced for each chapter and workshop, it's just a matter of clicking this button here, and that will download the content from our Dropbox location. Once done, you can go through the content and learn to your heart's content. Note that the password that you enter is unique for each course. So if you want access to one of the other courses, say Workbench LS-DYNA, you would fill out the same form using the same similar button on the page, get a new password, and then submit the password from there. This is a bit of information on DRD's on-demand training content. If you have any questions, please send those to support@drd.com. Thank you.